Welcome back to God Plutonium, everyone. I'm Stepek. I'm the owner of godless.com, and I'm also the owner of God Plutonium, which is a services tool for independent authors, publishers, and self-published authors and publishers. This week's tutorial is going to be a two-part tutorial, the second part being next week. The first part is going to be about formatting a digital ebook using InDesign. Next week, we're going to show you how to export that so there's no flaws, F-ups, craziness, or any kind of wonkiness in your files. A lot of people use Microsoft Word to format their files, which is totally fine. But if you want a more polished and better looking book that's easy to export without having to use any online free converters that totally mess things up, I sincerely recommend you use Adobe InDesign. That said, enjoy this tutorial.
Let's get busy.